Okay, a tablespoon in the center. We're making pizzelles.
Yep.
Christmas 2011. And watch this. Voila. Sizzle, sizzle. Goes pretty fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Awesome.
Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Let's put them over here on the tray to cool. And then we stack them. Awesome.
Yay.
Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, no. You got that on the video? Open the front door. Hurry. Did you have that on the video? No, did you?
What do I do?
Did you have that on the video? Press the button.
What button?
God. No, leave the door
Oh.
open. We might have to open up the kitchen window.
Oh no. Ah!
Okay.
Can I come inside now?
Yes. Want to do it again?
Oh my
Take some pictures.